Alright, what's up, y'all? BB Entertainment, welcome back to another reaction. Roast, Blasphemous HD reaction. Now, he is one of my favorite reactors, especially his old reactions, but like his new reactions, not that much of a fan, but his older one, yeah, most definitely. To be honest, it's kind of hard to tell who my favorite reactor at this time, but, this is gonna be a try not to laugh challenge, so without further ado, guys, let's go and play.
And today, we're here to watch another Blasphemous AZ Try Not to Laugh challenge. Some of these are fucking good. Some of these are getting real fucking good. And one of the people who've been doing really good ones, his name is Skyrider HD. So if you guys want to go watch the original video, the link is in the description down below to them shits. I've been told that this one's really fucking well done. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. What it is, guys, it's your boy Bill Cosby. I'm Bill Cosby, okay.
Wow. Wow.
I don't know why, but it makes it so much funnier. You know it's not my actual, not like the face keeps, you know what I mean, wiggling everywhere and shit. It makes it so much fucking funnier for some reason. What the fuck?
Mom, you on camera?
Stop right downstairs.
Oh my fuck.
Hello?
Okay. Let's get back to this reaction.
I don't know why this is so fucking funny, yo. Oh yeah, that's not a good. I don't like this part. Dude is wrong for this shit, man. This nigga's so wrong for this shit. And
Wait,
then we're
this
here
copyrighted?
with an educational video. See, not only Bill Cosby can pill Cosby, I can too. Not only Bill Cosby can pill Cosby, I can too. God damn it, man. Fuck. That coupled with the opening just makes it so much fucking worse. Personally, I believe everybody should butt-fuck drug women and men. Because gender equality, that's fucked up. For real? So who am I now? Brock? That one white dude who got caught raping a female behind a goddamn dumpster and had the nerve to only get fucking 6 months.
6 months? Oh, he was white.
6 fucking months.
If he was black,
and probably be out in 3. Yep.
he better life sentence.
I just ruined the vibe of my own video by even thinking about that fucking sack of shit, man. I cannot believe
Pop,
fucking 6 months. I could run into a Best Buy and steal a piece of pizza, which honestly the real crime is Best Buy doesn't sell pizza. But if I did find pizza, I could steal batteries and probably get longer than this dude is gonna get. And it's county jail, not even prison. You know, because the judge said he didn't want it negatively affect him going to jail, you know. Not like it negatively affects the woman that he fucking raped. But hey, you know, somebody gonna try to take my butt, man. I gives it all the way. This is what having Bill Cosby will get you just free vagina. Man, nigga, Bill Cosby, you and your family. Is that your kid? Butt rape that little nigga. Come on, son. God damn it. Where's the line? Is that your family? Butt rape that little nigga. Like, come on, son. Even I couldn't get away with saying this shit. I do not feel bad. And I eat a chip. No. No. Butt rape that your son? Butt rape that little nigga. I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad. And I eat a chip. And this nigga go thug life the shit. Really? Fucking, I gotta see the whole thing all the way through. Cause that, god damn it, the punchline was so funny. Cosby pills get you just free vagina. Man, nigga, Bill Cosby, you and your family. Is that your kid? Butt rape that little nigga. I do not feel bad. And I eat a chip. God, Jesus. Fuck. I've never watched such an offensive video about me. Like, mind you, this doesn't offend me, but it should, right? Saying I'm smashing kids and shit should be offensive, but it's all...
You know, let's read the comments real quick. Good re-upload. Martial art. Clickbait dislike. Oh. Now people really likes this. Hold up. Uh-oh, I spelled then wrong. Play.
Also so funny. It's so that thug life shit is so funny. People should be allowed to put whatever they want in their mouths. You didn't hear that. I've had so many situations, at least over 10, where something has looked like it was too easy, like it was looked like it was just an easy come up, some free butt rape, turned out to literally get your boy killed. You wanna party with me? Party started. Want some vagina? Drink this. There's no pills in it. I'm a bad bitch though. Reach underneath the gooch and get him in a tank. I guarantee that'll jar some shit loose. I hear some dudes like that shit. The context was, I was telling females how to defend themselves, you know what I mean? Get a taser, you know? Tase a nigga in the dick. If he's like coming at you crazy, you know? Like if you have to defend yourself, go straight for the balls, females. Don't listen to us when we tell you that that's not fair. You know, if a motherfucker's trying to hurt you, rip his dick off. Like, it's got, you know, you gotta do it and be mad too. And then, like, you sit in the background, he's a fatality in the Mortal Kombat voice, and then that one white dude comes up, whoa, like, you feel me? You know, Mortal Kombat, the penis, if a motherfucker is, like, trying to hurt you. I'm just saying.
That's 100% fact.
That should be a form of martial arts. Dictality. Yeah.
Like the door on fire.
Martial arts. Rip it clean off. You be like beating like a fully blooded out heart in your hand. Edit all that out though. It's funny to me. Don't forget bad bitches. That's like 90% of the reason why I went to community college, man. It's for the butt rape. Look, dude, ruined it. You was talking about the bitches. I was like, yes, that's the reason why I went. And then it's like butt rape. I'm like, no. No, I didn't go to college for butt rape. Shit. I'm trying to do this shit right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I could switch occupations and be ass naked for money, I'd do that shit, man. I would make a relatively okay looking bad stripper bitch. Want some vagina? I've been told quite a few times that, oh my God, put your clothes back on. But I think that's only because they were conscious eyes. Oh, come on!
Hold up. Back at it.
Bruh, the ending is what sold the whole goddamn joke. You know, and what's fucked up is in the beginning, none of that was edited. I legitimately said that. Like, if I could be ass naked for money, I would 100% do that. People have seen me with my clothes off before, and they would run away screaming or not wanting me, but that's only because they were conscious. Now, I didn't say that conscious part, damn it, which honestly I should have. This dude's funnier than me. I should have said that would have been funny. But honestly, that would have sounded bad. I think that was at the time when the Bill Cosby rape allegations were at its highest point. You can't make that joke. Not then. Support butt rape.
Are the allegations true?
I'm not sure
that they will come like that. I think that many of them say, well, you're a hypocrite. You say one thing, you say the other. My point is, okay, listen to me carefully. I'm telling you where the road is out. Now, you want to go here, or you want to be concerned about who's giving you the message?
I'm gonna give you guys that made no fucking sense.
Real red.
Shit. I didn't understand what he meant at all. Secret to how to kick it with chicks and get some vagina. Alright, this is how this shit works. Butt rape. Women out here raping dudes too. Gender equality. What it is, BHD Army, is your boy Blasphemous HD, and we're here to watch one of our favorite types of videos. Boy pussy getting beaten the fuck up. Come on! Beautiful. Simply
Is that legal?
beautiful. God damn it, that's fucked. Really? Boy pussy getting beaten the fuck up. Simply beautiful. Fucking God, Jesus. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Now, I'm gonna give you guys some of the most valuable information you're ever gonna learn. There's always a stupid bitch to Bill Cosby, and I don't even mean that as a female. I mean, bitch can be man too. Gender equal. You know, I don't know why, but if you cut something off, like in the middle of the joke, it makes it 20 times funnier. Boy pussy. Oh, where's Leafy is here when you need him? Cause why hasn't Leafy done Bill Cosby pills yet? It's not unusual to go. Damn it. That really fits. That really fits. What's really fucked up, bro? Look at the one dude standing there. Literally, he's like. I wish you guys could have been at this goddamn party. This was at Playlist. This shit was so fucking lit, yo. So fucking lit. Oh, you bitch!
Oh!
You dirty bitch!
Oh!
Bruh,
No!
that's fucking funny! God, Jesus, that is fucking funny! This nigga had an interview like, this is the BHD Army, completely agreeing with your bad dancing. What the fuck?
Party. Jesus, Blast!
Oh my God, bruh, that was possibly the funniest clip of anything I've ever seen in my goddamn life. Fucking BSG already said it like, yes, yeah, give me that. Yeah, go sit down. Yeah, No, go ahead and go. You can leave. I'm Dante. Could take a lot of notes from this. This was fucking funny, yo. This was good, yo. Oh! That was fucking hilarious, bro.
No. I want to see if I can react to one more. I found another one, guys. So this is gonna be the last video. Get double reactions in one video. How do y'all like that?
Make me laugh with using my own.
Just to let you know, the intro was 2 minutes long.
Okay, pretty sure I haven't seen. I'm pretty sure I haven't seen this. Pretty sure that's funny. I shouldn't be laughing at that. That makes me look bad. I don't know why that's funny, but it is. Oh, at least he didn't catch my laugh and put like a dolphin on the side. Like,
I remember that one.
That would have been real bad for your boy. But that funny. God damn it. No. No.
No! 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 No!
Okay.
Don't you got cancer? Does she got cancer? Don't you got
I'm mad
cancer?
that that's funny.
I hope you don't got cancer. I hope you don't got cancer, bro. Oh, God.
Bruh! Did I do it?
Nope.
I remember this game, okay? And a lot of people are probably like, oh, man, you know, you act like such a little bitch. Yes, I do. This scares the hate jump scares. I can't do it. I can't do haunted shit, creepy shit, scary shit, ugly shit. I can't do this shit. All right? None of this. I can't do none of that shit. All right? Scare the fuck out of me.
Turn the air off. Switch your air on. Forgot.
Point. Look at that. Look at that.
You got that 10 seconds.
I can't do this shit. All right? None of this. I can't f with none of that shit. All right? Scare the fuck out of me. Case in point.
But I like what these scared. That's, bro.
I knew it was coming.
Five Nights at Freddy's 4 is the best Five Nights at Freddy's game ever.
Blasphemous HD, titty sprinkles. Ain't that a
Titty sprinkles.
That's funny. People are idiots. He is good at this. He's fucking good at this. This was funny.
Stare directly into my anus. What are
I don't know why I said that. What video was that?
BHD Army, it is your boy Blasphemous HD. We're gonna watch soft drinks, other soft drinks.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that? We're gonna watch soft drinks, other soft... What? Bruh. I don't even know. I don't even understand why I do. What the fuck is wrong with me, yo?
Bruh, look at this dude.
No.
Look at his hair.
Come on, son. What hair? Wait, look at his scalp.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh.
Yo, they be going in on Blasphemous
that hurts.
HD.
No.
Oh my god.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Oh shit, it's buff cockroaches.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, see, I feel like I would probably be good at this, man, because me being from the poor areas I lived in, I've had a long-going war with cockroaches, man.
I look at this video.
Anyone out there who lives in the streets knows that there's no bigger struggle than fucking roaches, man. It's on the ceiling, nigga. It's on.
In my own defense, it really was on the ceiling. And it was far bigger than anything
point is,
I've
never
ever
seen a
encountered
roach in
before.
a
It's
video
not my
barely.
fault. I kind of wish I hadn't have posted this video.
On the ceiling, we going in. Nigga, it's real as fuck. So still the hell on it. Oh, we need a weapon. Attack! Go do your jobs, cats. You jobless little shits. You attack.
Look how shitty that apartment was. If you look real closely, you can see like the asbestos and mold like floating around in front of the camera and shit. This place was so shit, yo.
Find it. Nigga, I need to get friends. I need to call people. Buff people. Call Buff Strong. I'm not about this life. I'm not about this life. I need my girlfriend.
See, look, you can see the mold and shit flying in front of the camera.
I gotta call my girlfriend. She'll know what to do. Do something.
I love my cats, man. My cats are so funny. They're just like, not even attempting to help your boy or nothing.
Y'all see that?
Yeah, it's huge. Look at that.
It's a small dog. Okay. Get before he falls. Oh, they got wings. Go down now.
Like a fly.
Turn. Ah!
Stop doing it.
Bro, R.I.P. that roach money. Comment after pay respects. What the I don't know what it is. It's so about motorboating someone's butt cheeks. Kind of makes you think, is 48-year-old vagina really that good? I mean, is it worth dying for? Or going to jail for the rest of your life?
No, it's not.
I'm gonna really be thinking about that shit later on. Like, I wonder
Don't get a
what
cat worth going to
48-year-old
jail or
vagina
dying.
really feels like. I don't know why I say the things that I say. I really don't. It's not my fault. It is BHD Army. It is your boy Blasphemous HD. And a lot of you can see that my eyebrows are just now starting to grow in. I shaved my eyebrows off for a stream. I don't know why I did it, but I did. You guys have been asking me to watch. No! What it is, BHD Army? It's your boy Blasphemous HD. Man, I love children.
Stuff that people used to do for clout back then.
Man, I love. God, this was good. This was well done. To eat Young Thug's ass. I'm down. I'm down with the black cherry. That's what's good in the streets right now for me. I will be playing it when it comes out. Game looks scary as fuck, and I don't fuck with scary shit. But I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Watch your 6 out this. You guessed it.
Oh, Ed. Oh, Ed.
Get up! What the? Bruh, I can't do scary shit. I don't do it, yo. I'm telling you, yo. Y'all be thinking it's a game. I don't fuck with scary shit. I don't fuck on scary shit.
I love.
Tell me this is not funny. This shit fucking hilarious. This is awesome. Bravo. That was funny. That was really, really, really funny.
All right. I lost fair and square. But next time, there's going to be a punishment if I lose another Try Not to Laugh challenge. So hope you guys do the video. If y'all did, make sure I kaiju punch that like button in the face like a boss. Peace.